Excited tayo dito sa bagong-bago natin na device, which is iFlytek A Note. This is Air version 2. Okay, check na natin. So makikita natin sealed itong note natin and andyan yung details niya. Okay, buksan na natin. Excited na ako for this one. This is an ebook reader and pwede din siyang gamitin na for note-taking. Para siyang Kindle Scribe and kung meron kayong mga other software on your iPad like Notability, so it's also like that. So ayan, tanggalin natin yung plastic. And this is available on Amazon. Meron din sa Shopee and Lazada. And of course, in outside of the Philippines. Buksan na natin. Ito na. Ayan. iFlytek AI Note Air. So, smooth na smooth yung device. Okay, tanggalin natin sa box. And tilt natin ng konti. Ayan. Maganda to, guys. Yung back niya smooth aluminum. Ayan, meron siyang camera. And makikita natin dito sa taas. Yan yung mga shortcuts niya. USB-C ang ginagamit nitong port. Meron siyang camera. Very smooth. And ito yung power on niya. Okay, power on. Turn on na natin yung device. And wait for a bit. And habang hinihintay natin na mag-fire up yung device, tingnan natin what's the content of the box. So, meron dito, of course, yung the usual, may friendly reminders, ano yung kailangan natin gawin for the device to make sure that it's secure and protected. So, wina-warn lang tayo, may kasama na tong pen. Ayan, open natin. And there you go. So, this one, the usual, nandito yung manuals niya. Tingnan natin kung ano laman nito. I think this is the power cord. Ayan, cable. This is USB-C and USB na endpoint. At dahil simple lang yung device na to, maikli lang yung manual. Very easy to understand. And may kasama na din siyang pen. Next, tingnan natin itong kasama niyang pen. Okay. Katulad kaya to ng Apple Pencil. Maganda kaya siyang isulat. Yun yung mga questions na gusto nating masagot later on. Oops, mukhang premium. May isa siyang single button dito. And ito yung box niya. Okay, so let's take it out. And there you go. Your premium pen. So, yan na siya. Mabilis lang siyang dumikit. So, goods naman yung magnet niya. Now, i-try na natin i-start. Ayan o. Ayan, start. And, check out natin. Of course, the usual basic setup. So, dito country and region. Piliin lang natin ang Philippines. Medyo, nung kakastart pa lang kasi, medyo mahirap siyang mag-respond pa. I think it's still booting up. Yan. Katulad niya, no? Tingnan nyo. I think hindi pa ako ganun kasanay dun sa device. Yung pag-press. So, now, na-select na natin yung region. What I'm doing right now is connecting it to the Wi-Fi. And magic, ayan, Wi-Fi is connected. So, we click continue. Ayan, mapapansin nyo guys, so, nahihirapan akong i-press siya. Pero, I guess it just takes time para masanay tayo. So, we just select whichever it is and then we accept the terms of use. So, may user agreement siya dito. Ayan o, nahihirapan akong i-press siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-touch responsive. So, yun yung una nating napansin dito sa device na to. Okay, sign in. So, mag-sign up na ba ako or later? Pwede kong i-try kasi ito. Meron siyang tourist mode. But, I prefer not to go on tourist mode. So, cancel ko na lang tong tourist mode. And I would sign up instead. Alright, nag-create na ako ng account and now nandun ako sa point wherein I'm registering a fingerprint. So yan, mapapansin nyo, iba-ibang angle yung ginagawa ko so that makapture niya fully yung fingerprint. And sasabihin naman sa'yo ng device kung hindi mo siya na-fully cover. Ayan, so keep repeating. This is very basic to us. Alam na natin to, how to do it. And then, sign lang tayo dito if gusto nyo. So ako, I chose to sign. And voila, yan, tapos na. You did it. So, ito, pwede na natin gamitin yung device. Excited na ba kayo, guys? I am excited. So, yan, nag-load na siya and get started quickly. So, meron siyang guide, the usual na help. So, ayan, makikita natin dito yung iba-ibang guidance. Get started quickly. Okay, I already know. Yan. So, nandito na tayo sa homepage niya. Makikita natin, merong notes, schedule, reading. Yan, reading. Ito yung interesado tayo kaagad. May bookshelf, merong bookstore. Ayan, dito sa bookshelf niya, merong user manual. Syempre, since bago pa lang siya, loading pa to. So, ngayon, makikita natin yung laman ng manual. And basahin natin. Yan. So, ito na yung UI niya. Mapapansin nyo guys, kung may ka magbasa ng books na soft copies, different types of format are being supported by this device. So whether PDF siya, EPUB siya, so you can always carry your documents around with you. So guys, yun lang sa ating unboxing session for today. I hope nagustuhan nyo tong video na ginawa natin, and sa susunod na discussions natin, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung good and bad about this reading and note-taking device. So please subscribe and watch for my other videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.